Hello children, today we are going to learn class 3rd maths lesson number 7 geometry. Okay, now you have the geometry book. Geometry book means what children? It will be not having the lines like a drawing book, it will be there. You are having the 200 pages geometry book you have to use for this chapter. You have to write nicely lesson number 7 geometry and you have to continue in that. Whatever I will tell you that you have to continue. Now we are going to see what is mean by lines. Curved line. A line which is bent or continuously bending is called a curved line. It will be bent. The line will be bent. Okay, continuously it will bend, otherwise little it will bend. Now you can see here the line bended little here, like this way, little it is bended. And this is continuously it is bended. It is known as a curved line. Got it? A line which is a bent or continuously bending is called a curved line. Curved lines can be drawn freehand or using a compass from your geometry box. Such lines can also be drawn using an object with round edge like a ball, a bangle, etc. Now curved line will use the bangle to draw like a curve. Okay, balls, you can keep the ball and you can draw, that is it will become a curved line. Now next one, straight line. A line drawn from any point traveling in one direction is called as a straight line. Now it is a here point is there, then line will traveling, the point will traveling in one direction only. It will not change its direction. It will go in a straight. Like this way it will go in a straight. That is known as a straight line. It here bended. Now continuously points will be there in a straight line. That is known as a straight line. A line drawn from any point traveling in a one direction. Now this is a one direction only. Traveling in a one direction is called as a straight line. Normally, a straight line is the shortest distance between the 2 points. Now this is a straight line. It is the shortest distance. It is between 2 points. Some more straight lines. You can learn the types of lines. You can say as a types of a line. There is a slanting line. You learned in a nursery this slanting line, vertical line, and horizontal lines. Okay, this is a straight line, it is a vertical line, this is a horizontal line. We use a ruler to draw a straight line. Ruler means what? Scale. You can use the scale to draw the straight line. We can also draw straight line using an object with a straight edge like a book, a pencil box. 2D shapes. 2D shapes have only length and width. It will be having length and width it will be having. Okay. Terms related to 2D shapes. Corner or vertex. It is the point where two straight lines meet. This is a corners. This is the corners. Otherwise vertex. Okay. It will meet two corners, it will meet, that is known as a vertex, otherwise corner. Side, it is a straight line joining two adjacent corner. Here sides are there, these two corners they are joining. Okay. Now diagonal, it is a straight line joining two opposite or non-adjacent corners. Now this is the diagonals. We learned in a multiplication, lattice multiplication. I was telling draw the diagonal, draw the diagonal. This is known as a diagonal. It is straight line joining two opposite or non-adjacent corners. And corner or vertex, these are a vertex. These are joining the sides. It is also vertex. Okay, these are vertex or corners. This is corners. Two lines will meet together. Okay, these are corners. And diagonals means what? two opposite corners will join together. It is known as a diagonal. This figure is a triangle, this is a square, this is a rectangle, this is a circle, oval, hexagon, rhombus. Okay, these are 7 diagrams of the 2D shapes. Okay, these are a 2D shape, children. These are the diagram of the 2D shape. Now you can see that how many vertices it will be there. Square. Now I will teach you about the square. Okay, square vertices means these points. It will be having 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, 2 diagonals, and 4 straight lines. Now here one straight line, here one straight line, here one straight line, here one straight line. Okay, the square will be having like this way all. I hope you understood, children. Now today's your homework is you have to draw this diagram. Okay, draw this all the sides, vertices, whatever it will be having, that you have to draw this diagram. First you have to draw this all the diagrams, then you have to draw this chart. Okay,